In this video, we're making a steak sandwich with ribeye steak, caramelized onions, 2 different types of cheese, arugula, a balsamic glaze, and a creamy horseradish dill mayo. First up, the horseradish dill mayo. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of horseradish sauce, 1/3 cup mayo, 1 teaspoon of honey mustard, and 1 teaspoon of either fresh or freeze-dried dill. Mix to combine. Next, pour a few tablespoons of oil into a pan, followed by 1 tablespoon of butter and heat over low heat. Once the butter has melted, add 1 yellow onion and 1 tablespoon of either regular white sugar or brown sugar, seasoned with some salt and pepper, and sauté for 20 to 30 minutes or until the onions are lightly golden brown. Remove the onions, cover, and set them off to the side until the end. For the ribeye steak, season both sides with a good amount of salt and pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the meat and sear for 1 to 2 minutes on both sides. Place onto a wire rack lined baking sheet. Then bake at 275 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes for medium rare. While the meat rests, we prep our garlic roll. Spread some butter over both sides of a ciabatta loaf, followed by a few shakes of garlic powder. Figure 1 teaspoon. Then bake at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes or until lightly toasted. Now we build. Add the steak as the first layer. For the second layer, the cooked onions. For the cheese, 1 cup of blue cheese crumbles, and 4 slices of brie that have been sliced lengthwise from a 6-ounce block. Make sure you leave the brie in the refrigerator until the last minute. If you let it get to room temperature, it will be difficult to slice. Then broil at 500 degrees for 1 to 2 minutes or until the cheese has melted. Add a generous amount of arugula. Drizzle balsamic glaze over the top. Brush the top half of the roll with the mayo. Give it a quick slice right down the middle. And there we have it, a ribeye steak sandwich.